How to fix enabling two-factor authentication problem on Facebook. So if you're facing a problem while enabling your two-factor authentication on your Facebook, then you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now go for the upper right, which has that three-dot icon, and then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Under that, you need to go with settings option. Under settings, you need to simply go with the first, which is account center. Under account center, you need to scroll down, go with password and security, tap on two-factor authentication, choose your Facebook, and then re-enter your password. Tap on continue, and here it will give you an extra security, which is you need to enter the code from your WhatsApp. And once you enter your code, you can simply choose the authentication app or any other options that you have, and you'll be able to add the two-factor authentication. But if you're not being able to add the two-factor authentication, then what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to your Facebook application, go with app info, go with storage and cache, tap on clear cache, and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply uninstall your Facebook and then again install it and try to log into your account. And once you've uninstalled, you can simply tap and press and hold on to your power button and tap on restart. Once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can enable or fix the two-factor authentication problem on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.